Good morning, America. Mark Kelson here today. Guarantee RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. It's late fall day. I present to you this 2016 Winnebago Sunstar 27N. Pre-owned. Let's go in and see what it has to offer. Nice short coach, 3 slide outs, great expanse in this coach. Come on in. Colors, very pleasing to the eye. Light colors. Brings in the light from the outside, adds to it, and just anyone who's depressed wouldn't be depressed in this coach. Coming over here, nice soft seats with the Winnebago quality. You do have the intercoil springs right here. You can sit there a long time and enjoy company of other people. Over here you do have the L-shaped kitchen. Corian countertops, stainless steel sink, a lot of prep space, a lot of drawers in this coach, a lot of just storage everywhere in a Winnebago. Look at that. Microwave convection, huge area in there to bake something. 3-burner stovetop. And then, of course, we have a refrigerator and freezer right here. A lot of room to walk back here. You have your panels right here up on the walls to access your slide outs, your levels, your generator, your air conditioner. You do have an inverter in here, a 1000-watt inverter. Coming back here, you have your bathroom area. Nice lighting in there from the skylight and from the vent. You have a corner shower with a nice seat in there. A lot of room to move around in there. Coming to the back, queen bed. The slide outs give this a lot of room back here, so it's a walk around. I like this huge wardrobe in here. You can get a lot of garments in there for a trip as you're going down the highway. Again, you have the nice bank of cabinetry up there. 6 drawers right here for all your clothing. Little exit window right there. Let's go up and see what it has to offer. Coming up here in the cockpit, it's a Ford V10. I believe this year it was 16. I think we had a 362 horsepower in this coach, if I'm not mistaken. But anyway, look at the colors in here. Very nice palette of colors. Comfortable seats. Winnebago makes all their own furniture. They make most everything in the coaches that they have. There's a little table for either a map or your computer, whatever, because there's a couple little plug-ins right there too. See if I can get that up there. There we go. You got the fans up above, auxiliary fans. Oh, look at this. You got a piece of art up here. That's kind of unique. Great coach, Ford V10. Everything at the touch of a button, levelers, mirrors. It's just all right there. Beautiful little coach. Let's go outside and see what it has to offer. You have a huge slide here, big full wall slide on this side. But the good thing about this is you have these bay doors underneath here that open up from the side, and those two combine, so you can get long items in there. Coming back here, another little compartment for storage, and then you have your water pump and your fresh water bay up there. This coach has a lot of room in the back. Look at that. You could put anything in there you needed to put in there. Bicycles, anything. Automatic awning up above. You do have the backup camera right there. Your ladder accessing the roof. You have your 4,000-watt generator right here. It's an Onan. It will never die on you. Right here is your water bay with your electrical cord, your surge protector, your outdoor shower hose, your water pump at the touch of a button right here, and a slam latch right there. And coming back here, your sewer bay. for dispensing your waste. And then another little storage compartment right there. You got your side cameras right there, so when you turn on your blinker, it illuminates what's coming up the side for safety. This is a great coach. It's a pre-owned 2016. If this coach is of interest to you or any of the coaches on the campus, please give me a call. My name is Mark Kelson, 541-285-8791, or the number at the bottom of your screen. Thank you so much for watching today.